Hello there. My name is Yadvendra Jhala. My passion with wildlife started when I was a kid in kindergarten. My teacher asked me what I wanted to become, and I said I wanted to become a zookeeper, but that's the only way I could think of being close to animals. And I've grown up to become a professional wildlife biologist. I've spent about 30 years studying what I had a passion to do, and now I make a living out of it. So that has been just fantastic. Professionally, now I work with large carnivores, that's tigers, lions, wolves, hyenas, that kind of stuff, who can kill you and eat you up. But they're not that bad. They're pretty good themselves. They have social lives just like we have, and they're endangered. That means humans have caused them to become almost extinct on this planet. So it is our moral obligation to try and save them. And while doing that, you can also have fun.
Hi, my name is Malvika Onyal. I work here at the Wildlife Institute of India as a scientist at the UNESCO Center for World Natural Heritage. What really interests me is birds. They attract attention, they're colorful, they sing, and they call. They can give you telltale signs of what's going on in the environment around you. So what happens when we want more and more houses and shops and malls and roads and so on.
Hi, I'm Milan. I'm passionate about drones and environment as well. And I really like flying drones and making them. So it's my dream come true. When I came to WI, I started making drones and I felt, yes, this is what I want to pursue in my higher career. So basically, engineering can be related to wildlife using machines and tools that we use for conservation. We can improve the quality of conservation by using tools like drones, camera traps. We are basically making drones to stop poaching. As you have heard that lots of tigers have been killed in forest areas regularly. We want to stop that. We want to stop it so that we can conserve tigers.
Hi, I'm Tara. When I was your age, I helped organize Project Tiger in my school. But after all that, I just went the usual way, became an engineer. And later on, while working after my engineering, I figured out that there are opportunities where I can use my engineering background in this field. There are various software programs which help in resource monitoring as well as tracking tigers down. So I worked as an engineer for 2 years and I got frustrated with the whole city life, hustle bustle, and right now I am loving this field where I get the opportunity to roam around a lot, enjoy nature. I was actually out birding. That gives me a lot of freedom. Plus I get to actually help the environment around us.
Whether it's the air, the water, the clothes we wear, basically it's all coming from nature. So it's important to see what's going on, and as it is important to look at ways at how we can stop or minimize this harm that we're doing. How can we make things better?
If you're interested in planes and if you're interested in helicopters, you should always go in the internet and look at those things. And I always thought that it is impossible to make one unless I made one. So now it's really great. I feel really great about it.
So if you have a profession in wildlife, then it's a romance throughout your life. You don't make too much money, but you make enough to make a living. So it depends what you want in life. You want to have a good life with a lot of satisfaction, or you want to become a multimillionaire and have all the associated diseases of diabetes and whatnot. You'll keep very healthy doing this kind of work because you have to walk a lot, you have to spend a lot of time in the field, and if you enjoy outdoors, then this is the profession for you.